Hello everyone, I am R.P. Rajwade, Associate Professor, Chemistry, Faculty of Science, Sri Rawatpura Sarkar, University, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. This lecture is on diazonium salt. As we know that diazonium salt are the class of organic compounds with general formula RNA2 plus X minus, where X is an organic or inorganic ions and R is alkyl or aryl groups. Diazonium salts are prepared by adding cold solution of sodium nitrite to aryl amine solution in dilute acid below 5 degree temperature. This process is called diazotization. In this reaction, aryl amine react with nitrous acid in dilute HCl at 0 degree centigrade to obtain diazonium salt. Physical properties: it is a colorless crystalline solid. It is readily soluble in water and stable in cold and react with water when warmed. It has tendency to explode when dry. Chemical reaction of diazonium salt. Diazonium salt gives substitution reaction and coupling reaction. First we will deal the substitution reaction. The first diazonium salt react with copper chloride at 60 to 100 degree centigrade to obtain aryl chloride. Second one, the diazonium salt react with copper bromide at 60 degree to 100 degree centigrade to obtain aryl bromide. Third one, diazonium salt react with copper cyanide to give aryl cyanide. Fourth one, diazonium salt react with potassium iodide to obtain aryl iodide and nitrogen and potassium chloride as byproduct. Fifth one, diazonium salt is heated with water and acid to produce phenol. Sixth one, when diazonium salt react with tetrafluoride bromate and simultaneously it is heated to produce aryl fluoride. Seventh, diazonium salt is reduced with hypophosphorus acid to give benzene. Now this slide shows the summary of substitution reaction of diazonium salt, in which aryl chloride, aryl bromide, aryl cyanide, phenol, aryl iodide, aryl fluoride and benzene is obtained. Applications of diazonium salt. First one, diazonium salts are highly used intermediates in the synthesis of large variety of aromatic compound. Second one, for the manufacture of azo-dyes. Third one, for the industrial preparation of important organic compounds like meta-bromotoluene and meta-bromophenol. Thank you for watching this video lectures on diazonium salt.